Here's step by step with our eco candle making kit. So we're going to start off with getting the wax out of our old candle jar by pouring some boiling hot water into it. This is going to help loosen up the wax so you can grab it, toss it, and clean your jar so it's ready to be refilled. Next, you're going to grab your eco candle making kit, take out all your supplies one by one, and I'm going to walk you through how to use them all. Now you're going to grab your bag of wax, open it up, and then microwave it for 2 to 2.5 minutes depending on how strong your microwave is. Afterwards, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. And next, we're going to grab our jar and measure it to figure out how many wicks we need. So measure the diameter and divide it by 1.5 to figure out how many wicks you need. So for us, we're only going to be needing 3, so I'm going to grab my wick stickers, pop them onto the bottom of each wick, and then I'm going to attach it to my candle. I spaced them out a tiny bit and made a triangle formation when placing them. Now my favorite part is pouring in your candle wax. Now you're going to get your wick holders and you're going to pop them through each candle wick, and this is what's going to keep the wicks tall and straight while the candle's cooling, and I make a sort of triangle formation here again. Wait 24 hours, and once your candle's cool, you can remove them and then trim each wick. Add your safety label on the bottom of the candle and you're good to go. This rose garden scent is so amazing and lovely. It's safe for pets, easy on the nose, and it makes a great gift for you or anyone you love.